Nestled within the northern tip of Lee's Summit city limits is a picturesque neighborhood ready to welcome you home. This is Monticello, Lee's Summit's newest premier residential community. The land within and surrounding this community is filled with quaint beauty. The gentle rolling hills with rustic red barns is reminiscent of communities in days gone by, where community was filled with simple pleasures, family outings to the lake, and picnics in the park. With this vision in mind, the Monticello development of Lee's Summit was born, so that its residents can take retreat with those simple pleasures of life as well. Monticello is located adjacent to Flemming Park, Jackson County's largest park, which offers thousands of acres of plentiful nature. Blue Springs Lake, with a full-service marina, is just a short ramble down the road from the homes in Monticello, allowing residents the luxury of making weekend getaways at the lake a regular occurrence. With its slightly elevated topography that provides breathtaking views of the Kansas City skyline, Monticello truly is a charming neighborhood. Simply step outside to enjoy the scenery as you travel along the 1.5 miles of paved community pathways and pass by 2 private ponds. Take the dog for a run, or just take a stroll with the neighbors. It's all possible in the safe and serene surrounding of Monticello. Located in the highly rated and desirable Blue Springs School District, Monticello boasts a number of family-friendly features, including a beautiful swimming pool and cabana, along with a versatile recreational area that can be used to host family events and other social gatherings. Monticello offers a friendly, welcoming atmosphere where friends and family truly make the community special and feel like home. We invite you to join the wonderful community of Monticello. Get back to those simple pleasures and begin building family memories that will last a lifetime.